In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your taskbar is missing or not showing up or displaying on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So a couple of different ways to fix it. First way would be if you took your mouse cursor and just kind of bring it over to where your taskbar is. While you're hovering over it, right-click on it and select Taskbar Settings. Alternatively, you could tap the Windows key on your keyboard and that'll open up the search menu and just search for Taskbar Settings. Same way, basically, it's going to take you to the same page here. Scrolling down, expand taskbar behaviors, automatically hide the taskbar. Go ahead and uncheck that, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.